Just imagine, for the first time, seeing your loved ones relieved from years of chronic pain. Imagine being able to reduce their pain without prescription medication or surgery. Imagine helping friends, family, and the community in becoming pain-free. Now imagine having access to technology that can do just that. A powerful, non-invasive device capable of repairing and recharging the human body. At Cell2n, we are so confident that your first session is absolutely free of charge, no hidden agenda, and no extra cost. Contact Cell2n today to start your journey to a pain-free life. Email us at info@cell2n.com.